Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back for another fun day, Sunday watch face review. And I want to just say good morning to everybody. Jackie, Kryptonia, William, Glenn, good morning Adrian, good morning Scott, good morning Martin, good morning to everybody that's on here, Sean Roberts. Listen, I have a watch face for you that I know you're gonna love, so stay tuned, buckle up your seatbelts, get ready for the ride. Let's kick this review off. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. I'm telling you, this watch face is off the chain. Now, you might want to go get your milk and cookies, your popcorn, your pizza, because we're going to go in depth with this watch face just so you can get to see what this watch face has to offer. And if you look at it, you can see why this watch face made the cut for the watch face of the day. Okay, now the name of the watch face is called Sapphire Gears-G 12 hours. Okay, now, it has 13 themes and all that you're going to be able to check out. This is why we're going in depth. And with that being said, in the always on mode, it has a very unique, very beautiful, elegant look that I'm loving, right? Very different. But when the watch face is on, I'm telling you, we see true beauty. Now, let's go ahead. Let's get started. It is an analog watch face. If you look at it, you got a gold second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. The hands are silver, kind of blends into the watch face at hand. And you got a couple of dials up at the top and they're interactive. So if you want to go into your goal info, you can just single tap on your calories burned. You can go into that as well. Over here you get a digital time for those of y'all who need digital. And if you look right here, you can see that it is animated. The gears are ticking really, really slow, which I'm loving. And you have shortcuts. So they gave us music. Also, you can go in and get your information on your heart rate, set an alarm, and you can also go into S-Voice for those of y'all who like S-Voice. It's not many of us at all, but this is definitely a very nice look. Now, I like the theme of the whole watch face right here, right? But that's not where it stops. Let's double tap in the center, all right? And you get a different thing. We're gonna tap right here on the wheel, which is a little easier. This one looks beautiful. What about this one, guys? This one is nice. You still get your shortcuts, you still get your goals, and it just changes. So you have 13 themes in all, and so you can change and customize to whatever look you want to without even changing the watch face itself. This is nice. I don't know about this one. I don't know if you like that one, but it changes. It gives it a different look. Just keep going through until you get to the one that really suits you. I thought the developer did a real good job on this. I'm going to give the developer 2 thumbs up. And with that, what do you think? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. I think it's worth the price. It's $1.20 in the Gear Manager store, at least for the US. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell before you leave so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.